We all talk about what we can do with AI, right? But what if we flip that script? What does AI already know about you? Or maybe more importantly, what does it know about your company? That's the big question we're going to dig into today.
So, this whole thing really kicked off because of a research firm, Virtualization Options LLC. They stumbled onto something huge, and it put them in a really tough spot, facing this serious ethical problem. Once they saw how much AI knows about private companies, they had a pretty dangerous dilemma on their hands.
And really, their dilemma comes down to a question I want to ask you. Let's say you found a secret, a dangerous one, a way to uncover sensitive info that companies have accidentally left out in the open. If you share it, you could help them lock down their security. But what if the bad guys get a hold of it first? What do you do? It's a tough one.
So, here's the breakdown of their two really terrible choices. On one hand, you release the info. The risk? Bad actors could use it to attack companies. But on the other hand, if you keep it quiet, those same companies are just sitting ducks, completely unaware and defenseless. Their competitors, or worse, could find this stuff anyway.
And after going back and forth, they made the call. They decided that leaving companies in the dark, totally defenseless, well, that was the worst possible outcome. The thinking is, hey, the bad guys, they're already on this. This information isn't giving them new weapons, it's giving the good guys a shield. It's about leveling the playing field.
Okay, so to really get why this is such a big deal, we got to talk about how these AI models actually work. Think of them as having a permanent memory. Once something goes in, it's pretty much baked in forever. So these AIs are trained on just massive amounts of data scraped from all over the public internet. The cake analogy here is perfect. Every website, every PDF, every single comment on a forum. Those are the ingredients. And once they're all mixed together and baked into the AI model, you can't just, take the eggs back out. That info is in there for good, spread across billions of connections. It's not going anywhere.
And what kind of ingredients are we talking about here? Oh, it's not just the obvious stuff like your company's homepage. We're talking about old job postings from years ago, press releases you forgot about, that technical doc someone accidentally left public, yeah, your own LinkedIn profile, that presentation you gave at a conference last year, even just a random comment one of your employees made on a public forum. It all gets slurped up.
Okay, I know that sounds a little overwhelming, maybe even scary. But the point here isn't to freak you out, it's to get you ready, to empower you. And that all starts with having a solid plan. So let's talk about a framework you can actually use to find the stuff.
And here it is. This 5-phase framework is your roadmap. It's a clear step-by-step process. You start by just figuring out what's sensitive. That's your inventory and scope. Then you actually go and start asking the AI's questions. That's prompt and test. After that, you've got to document everything you find. From there, you figure out how bad it is. That's your risk assessment. And finally, you fix the problems and keep an eye on things. See? It's not just randomly searching, it's a proper structured hunt.
All right, to make this super concrete, let's take a little tour through a typical company. We're going to poke our heads into a few different departments and see where these risks are hiding, usually right out on the open.
First stop, HR. You know that job posting you put up last week? To you, it's just a job posting. To an AI, it's a gold mine. It can figure out your entire org chart, guess salary ranges, see what tech you're using, and might even learn the secret code names for your internal projects. That is a ton of intel to give away for free from just one document.
Okay, let's swing by the sales department. I mean, their whole job is to share info, right? But it's all about what they share. Look at this. Public customer names or general price ranges? Probably not the end of the world. Lower priority. But what about a leaked battle card with notes on how to beat a competitor? Or a detailed product roadmap from an old proposal? Now that's high priority stuff.
And now for the IT department. Seriously, look at this chart. It's wild. That top bar, 85%. 85% of leaks about IT infrastructure come from, you guessed it, job postings again. An ad for one engineer can basically hand a competitor a map of your entire system, your cloud provider, your security tools, everything.
The engineering teams aren't safe either. This number, 73%. What's that? Well, that's how many organizations have sensitive engineering info just sitting out there on public GitHub. We're talking about little bits of code that reveal how your secret sauce works, or commit messages where someone accidentally typed an internal server name. Yikes.
So, we've seen the problem, we've toured the company and found the risks, but just finding the leaks is only step one. Now we've got to talk about moving from seeing to doing. And you got to understand, this is not a one-and-done kind of deal.
So, here's your action plan. Simple. 1. Go do that first assessment.
Test out the big AI platforms. 2. Find something critical? Fix it immediately. 3. Use what you've learned to update your company policies and train your people. And 4, and this is key, make it a habit. This is digital hygiene now. Put a quarterly check-in on the calendar.
And that brings us right back to the beginning. This isn't some what-if scenario anymore. This is the new reality. Your company's digital footprint is already out there. It's already been absorbed, already baked into these AI models. So the only real question left is the one we started with. What does AI already know about you?